So today I'm gonna show you 4 apartments in the same building. This apartment is super clean and new. The location is really good as well. So let's go. So this apartment location is really good. Plus there is a convenience shop. This shop has laundry services like sell soft drink, water, and so many things as well. So just downstairs is really good. And this apartment is really clean and new. As you guys can see here, this is a parking area. You can park the cars or can park a bicycle, a motorbike, anything you want. Plus, this apartment has a lift. So you can going up and downstairs with the lift. It's really easy. So now I'm going to show you the swimming pool. The swimming pool is really clean. The owner tell the employee to clean it every day. So it's really good. So as you guys can see, this is the swimming pool. I'm going inside the swimming pool area. Some of you guys said I'm talking while I'm singing. Yes, it's me. Yes, so this is the swimming pool. The swimming pool is clean. They always clean. The employee clean all the time, like every day. As you can see, the water is a bit cold though. I think because no sun at the moment. But it's really peaceful area. Plus the birds are singing as well. So now I'm going to show you the rooms. Going to show you 4 apartments in the same building. This apartment building is really new. I'm not gonna lie at all. It's really new. It's just built maybe not long ago. So it's really new. And yeah. So I'm going by stairs because I don't want to go in by lift. We're going by stairs, right? Okay. So we're going by lift. We're not going by stairs, but maybe we're going by stairs later as well. Anyway, this apartment is quite new and the location is super good. Only like a few minutes away. Only a few minutes away to the pub street. I think like 5 minutes to the pub street by foot. 5 minutes to the pub street by foot. So the location is really good. But to the biggest local market, it's around 8 minutes by a moped. So it's really good. So this is on the 3rd floor, as you guys can see. It's really good views. So this is the apartment. As you walk inside the apartment, there is a kitchen area. And it has a sink, a small fridge, like a little bit cupboard. So the apartment is really clean. I can smell it. It's really clean. And this is the bathroom. It has a mirror, a sink, a Western style toilet, a shower. Yep, so it's really good. A shower with hot water. So it's really good. Yeah, the bathroom is quite big. It's like big for 2 people. Not bad at all. So she just said no bed sheets. But I think it's fine, you know. It's better to keep it new like that. So this is the double bed. Yeah, the bed is comfortable and completely new. And you can see here as well, it has an aircon. Yeah, and you can see here, this is kind of like, it's not a balcony, but it's kind of like, I could say like a backyard, but you can put the curtain here to close more privacy if you want to, a few plugs in there. So it's really good and has a wardrobe as well. So it's really good. So this apartment is $200 per month. Yeah, and it's a brand new. So it's really good. So now I'm gonna show you more apartment in upstairs. So we're gonna going upstairs by foot. Yeah, so we're gonna going upstairs by foot. I try to I try to avoid the record include the lady because she don't want to include it. Fair enough. Anyway, so this is on the third floor. 24 nên bong say. Oh, this one is on the fourth floor, and this one is. No? Okay. Oh, actually, she's gonna tell me it's on the fifth floor. Oh. She said no one have cleaned that area, so it's not beauty. So this apartment has so many rooms are available at the moment, so it's really good. As you can see here, it has really good views. And the birds are singing, so it's really peaceful. It's really nice. I can't stand here all time because of the birds. So this room is $450 per month. Yeah, it's a big, it's quite clean apartment. It's really clean, completely clean. As you guys can see, it's new, brand new. It's super new. A few cupboards, electric stove, and a kettle, plug. So it's really good. And this is 2 chairs, a table, a sofa. The sofa is new, like completely new, guys. No one have sit here yet. It's really new, like completely new. And a table, TV standard, and I think they have the TV as well, but they haven't set up yet. An aircon as well. And this area is for like the fridge, or maybe like a washing machine. So basically they haven't set up more furniture yet, but if you move into this apartment, they will set up the more furniture for you. If you need anything more, they will set up more for you. So this is the bedroom. It has a wardrobe, a small cupboard, a double bed, and the double bed is quite new. As you can see, it's really new. Everything in this building is new because the owner just like the apartment just built not long ago, so it's completely new. Everything new and clean. And a mirror and a small cupboard, and this one is a so this is a balcony area, and the owner will get a table and 2 chairs here, so it's really good, and the view is really good as well. The thing I like about this apartment, it's new. So because the apartment is new, it's kind of clean, you know, and yes, just like everything new. And this is the bathroom. The bathroom, it has a sink, a mirror, and a Western style toilet, a shower with hot water. And you can see here outside the balcony as well. But if you want more privacy, they have something to close it. Put it down if you want to, but keep it open for now because no one's here. More sun, it's better. So this apartment is $450 per month, but you can negotiate it if you want to. And so now I'm gonna show you the different one. It's $550 per month. It's this one. It's next to the $450 one. So, thom chiêng nè. Oh, okay. So this one is $550 per month. It has a living room with an open plan kitchen. This is the kitchen area. The living room is quite nice, you know, like quite like a Western style. And this is a kitchen area. It has a cupboards, a microwave as well, and electric stove. They haven't set up an electric stove yet, but when you come, they will set up for you. It has a kettle as well, a sink. Yep, it's really, the style is really nice though. It's like white, clear walls. It's really nice. And this is the balcony area as well. You can see here. This is the balcony. So the balcony has a good view. So basically the location, it's maybe 5 minutes to Pop Street. And if you might think like maybe noisy, but it's not as noisy at all, even though it's like maybe 5 minutes away. Pop Street is quite like over there. And here the apartment is here and by foot, you know. So it's not noisy. Only sometimes if there are any Khmer wedding or any like celebration or different events, so it might get noisy. But otherwise, if you're talking about Pop Street, it's not noisy at all because it's quite far from here. It's like by 5 minutes or 7 minutes by foot. So it's quite far a bit. And this is the bathroom area. It has a mirror, a sink, and a Western style toilet, and a shower with hot water. And you can see the view from here as well. The bathroom is quite unique. It's really nice, like a Western style. It's really nice. And this is the bedroom. Okay, so I'm gonna show you from here. So this is the bedroom. It has a double bed, and you can see the bed is so nice. Like very beauty, right? It has an aircon as well. And this is a wardrobe, and you can put the TV here, and they have like the Wi-Fi router as well, a gray wardrobe, a mirror. And this is another balcony. This is another balcony, and if you want, you can put like some table here, chair here, and a good views, very good views. Anyways, because this apartment is pretty new, so some of the room don't have the furniture yet, haven't filled up all full furniture yet. But if, for example, this apartment don't have a washing machine or fridge, but when you come here, you rent here, they will set up a washing machine, a fridge, and anything that you would need. So the owner really doing all of that for you, so you don't have to worry about the furniture at all. You will have the full furniture, anything you would need. So now I'm going to show you the last one. It's $650 per month. So let's check it out, what it looks like. You can hear the birds, right? They are singing. It's really nice. It's kind of peaceful, especially imagine like 8 o'clock in the morning. You just wake up and you open the curtain, and then it's so nice. So this area, there's an American girl stay here. So now I'm going to show you the $650 per month. And this is the view. The $650 per month use as you walk upstairs. So as you walk inside the apartment, there is a living room with an open plan kitchen. It has a table, 2 chairs, a sofa, and you can see the sofa is new. No one have open or sit in there yet. And this is the kitchen area. It has a kettle, electric stove, a microwave, a sink. I like the style. Everything white. Everything white looks nice. Very nice. One day when I have a house, I want to have like the kitchen like that. Everything white looks so nice. Very nice. And this is the this is the TV. They haven't got the TV yet, as I say. This apartment is new, and the furniture haven't set up all of that. yet, but if you want, it will give you a TV. And this is the living room, has an aircon as well. And so this apartment, it has 2 bedrooms. So the first one is a double bed. It's a double bed, and the bed is quite comfortable, looks so nice, and it has an aircon as well. A TV stand here. A really unique wardrobe. And this is a wardrobe. Sorry, not wardrobe, this is a cupboard. A wardrobe here. And a mirror, a few cupboards. So yeah, it's really good, right? See one more time. You guys can see here. And you can see over there that you can see, check the views over there. And this is another bedroom. This bedroom is a bit smaller, and it has a double bed as well, an aircon as well, and wardrobe as well. And this is the mirrors here. And next to the next to the bedroom, the second bedroom, there is the bathroom. It has a shower with hot water, a window, and a big mirror, a sink, few cupboard. Yeah, so it's really good. So this apartment, the price of the room is quite affordable, not bad at all. And the most important, everything is quite new. No one have living here, and the apartment just built not long ago. So it's everything new, plus the location is really good. And it's quiet. Except sometimes someone building or something, they're doing like construction, something like that, it might get noisy a little bit, but you can't stop that. But otherwise, it's quite quiet. It's really quiet. Anyway, guys, and I'm going to ask about the contract a little bit. I have been missing a few videos about the contract. Bông xài ơi, anh nói con tra màn khai.
Anh nói mặt khai cứ 150 trai được chặt đi mà trăm lần tớiមាន discount ចឹងណា
Oh, okay. តែកងត្រាមួយខែបាន
បានមួយខែកងត្រាមួយខែគឺដល់ deposit មួយខែ
Oh, okay, you'll. Oh, it's a good thing, guys. So this apartment, it's accept 1 month contract only. So if you don't want to stay in Cambodia long term or Siem Reap long term, you want like a luxury apartment and just only 1 month contract, this apartment is accept. So you can deposit 1 month, and contract is 1 month only. So it's really good. So deposit 1 month rent. So first month rent and deposit. So it's really good. So yeah, anyway, and it's really good and close to Prop Street. It's not far away at all. It's really good. Plus downstairs has a swimming pool, so it's really good. Anyway, guys, that's all for this video, and I hope you guys like it. And please like and subscribe for more videos. And see you guys next time. Bye bye.